video, I'm going to teach you how to conjugate the verbs gustar and encantar in Spanish. So if you want to learn how to conjugate these verbs, watch this video. Hola chicos, ¿cómo están? Mi nombre es Leo de My Spanish Lesson y estoy aquí para enseñarte español. Hello guys, so today we are going to learn how to conjugate the verbs gustar and encantar. You know that in Spanish these two verbs are irregulars, so they follow a different conjugation in Spanish. Let's see what it is. So check. So let's start with gustar. How do we conjugate gustar in Spanish? It's very easy, guys. Let's see. So we have a mí me gusta, a ti te gusta, a él, a ella, a usted le gusta. A nosotros nos gusta, a vosotros os gusta, a ellos, ellas, ustedes les gusta. Okay, so this is the way that we conjugate gustar in Spanish. To like, the verb to like, gustar. Okay, let's see now how we conjugate the verb encantar. Okay, really like, I love, I really like, me encanta. So let's see. So we have a mí me encanta, a ti te encanta, a él, a ella, a usted le encanta, a nosotros nos encanta, a vosotros os encanta, a ellos, ellas, ustedes les encanta. Very good. So now we have gustar and encantar conjugated. Now you know how to do it. What happened now? If you want to make a sentence, you can combine gustar and encantar with a verb in infinitive or with a noun, singular or plural. Let me explain you this. If you combine the verbs gustar o encantar with an infinitive, con un infinitivo, un verbo, a verb, you don't need to do anything. You say, for example, me gusta jugar al fútbol. So it doesn't change. Or a ellos les gusta caminar. A mi padre le gusta correr. So you see, it doesn't change. The same with encantar. A ella le encanta boxear. A él le encanta jugar al béisbol. Okay, so it's the same. We have infinitive. Then, if you want to combine the verb gustar or encantar with a noun singular, it doesn't change anything. So you said, a mí me gusta el plátano. A él le gusta el fútbol. Okay? Let's do two examples with encantar now. A mí me encanta el dulce. A él le encanta Londres. Okay? So it doesn't change anything. Now let's use it with a plural noun. When you use gustar o encantar with a plural noun, you need to add en to the verb gustar o encantar. Then it would be gustan with an N o encantan. For example, a mí me encantan las manzanas. It's plural, okay? Plural noun. A ellos les encantan las fresas. A nosotros nos encantan las verduras. So you see, you just add en to make it plural. I mean, if you're going to use a plural noun with gustar or encantar. Very good, guys. Good job. Now, what about the negative? If I want to say something that I don't like, very easy, extremely easy. You just need to add no before the pronoun. For example, a mí no me gustan las manzanas. A él no le gusta el plátano. A nosotros no nos encanta jugar. Okay? So you just need to add no at the beginning to make it negative. So you see, no problem at all with the verb gustar and encantar. Is it clear for you? I have a question. ¿Y a ti qué te gusta? So leave me your answer here in the comments about to this question. ¿Y a ti qué te gusta? Okay, I will be checking your answer in the comments. And remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet. Like if you enjoyed this video. Click on the bell to receive notification anytime I upload a video. And one more thing, very, very important. I designed a course for complete beginner, Spanish course for complete beginners. Or even if you are a beginner and you need to reinforce your Spanish, this course is perfect for you. So, complete beginner, you can start with this Spanish course online for complete beginner. So, I will leave you the link in the description of this video so that you go and check if you wanna do this course. It's very easy, very reasonable price. So start today with the course. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this video and see you in the next video. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Hasta luego. Do you want to learn proper Spanish and speak it like a native speaker? If so, this online Spanish course is for you. We are more than happy to introduce our completely online Spanish course for complete beginners. My name is Leo from My Spanish Lesson, and in this course you will be able to practice the 4 skills of the language: speaking, reading, writing, and listening. Every lesson is structured with a video, a lesson explanation, and a quiz to follow your progress and to evaluate your progress in the course. At the end of the course, you will get a certificate of completion of the course. So don't wait for more. Sign up today and start learning Spanish. Thank you very much and see you in lesson 1.